downstairs you might be able to hear our birds. They have somehow managed to get themselves down the back of our fridge. It's an integrated fridge, so there's no way of moving the fridge. They're about here. You can probably hear them. Gaylord! There you go. So, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to hand over to my lovely assistant. I've been to the hardware store and I've bought a long piece of chain, and I have tied it to a very heavy pan lid. Never use these pans because they're too heavy to use, but at least they come in handy now. So, the idea is I'm going to dangle the chain down the back of the fridge in the gap, and hopefully when they get hungry, they will climb out. So here we go. Hey birdies! Hi! Can you hear me? I can hear you. Whoops. Here we go. Can you see that, baby? Okay. So I'm going to put it... Oh, it's quite warm down there. That's probably why they've gone down there. There we go, babies. Feed it through. Till it hits the ground. Yep. Hopefully they will climb out. What I'm going to do now is play some cockatiel sounds on my phone. That might get them excited. Jiffy, do we think they're going to come out, the birdies? Oh, Lulu's getting jealous.